A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. You know what we are going to do today in computer? Yes, we are going to start a new chapter. I hope you have completed the notes of your previous chapter. Okay, now students tell me, as we are having the body parts, okay, head, eyes, ears, hands, legs, in the same way computer has also some parts. Today we will learn your chapter number 3, that is the parts of computer. Okay, now dear children, computer has mainly 4 parts, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Which are they? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. 4 parts, okay. All of them together make a computer system. All of them together make a computer system. They are generally connected by wires to make them work. वो कैसे work करेंगे? With the help of the wires. Now we will see one by one, okay. The first one is the monitor. See, this is a monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. A monitor looks like a TV screen. Okay? It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. It also displays the result. What we see in the monitor, whatever the work we are doing, it will be shown here and it also displays the result. ये हमको result भी दिखाता है, output भी दिखाता है and जो भी हम काम करते हैं, it is displayed here. A monitor is also called a visual display unit. Now this is a technical term used for the monitor, that is VDU. Okay dear children, moving on to next, CPU box. This is a CPU cabinet. A CPU cabinet is also known as a CPU box. The CPU cabinet contains a central processing unit. It contains a central processing unit. Now whatever the work we are doing on the computer, it is being processed in CPU. जो भी processing का काम होता है, वो कहाँ होता है? CPU. That is why it is known as central processing unit. The CPU is called the brain of a computer. अब जहाँ पे processing होगी, that part will be known as the brain of a computer. Therefore, CPU is also called the brain of the computer. As it is known as the brain of a computer, it controls all the other parts of the computer. जब हम उसको brain of the computer बोलते हैं, that is why it controls all the parts of the computer. Clear? Next, keyboard. See, this is a keyboard. Okay, it has many keys. Okay, a keyboard has many buttons called keys. It has many buttons called keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. Now dear children, in the keyboard we are having numbers, we are having alphabets and we are having the special symbols also. So a keyboard is used to type all these. Okay. Whatever you type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. अभी हम जो भी इसे type करेंगे with the help of the keyboard will be shown on the monitor. Clear? A standard keyboard has 104 keys. It has 104 keys. Moving on to next, mouse. See, here is a mouse. Okay. A computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. It has 2 or 3 buttons. A mouse is a pointing device. It is also known as a pointing device. Now, on the monitor, when we have to type something, हमको कैसे पता चलेगा हमको कहाँ पे type करना है, कहाँ नहीं type करना है? So, with the help of the mouse, we will come to know that. Because it is a pointing device, then we can start the typing from there. It is used to point, move and select any item on the computer screen or monitor. वो किसके लिए use होता है? To point, move or select any item on the computer. A mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play games. I know this you have already done that. It is used to draw pictures and play games. Okay. The next one is the printer. Now for what purpose the printer is used? For dear children, for suppose if this is my document, okay, this is my document and I want the print out of it. मुझे किस में चाहिए, हार्ड कॉपी में चाहिए, पेपर फॉर्म में मुझे प्रिंट आउट चाहिए. So printer is used for that. It is used to print the text or pictures on the paper. The printed copy on the paper is called printout. जो हमको पेपर फॉर्म में मिलता है that is known as a printout. It is known as a printout or hard copy. Okay? मुझे जब ये पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट का हार्ड कॉपी चाहिए होगा, I will use a printer. Clear? Now these are the following printers. Some commonly used printer. This is just for your information. The first one is dot matrix, line printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. Okay? What is printer? To take out the print of pictures on a paper. Clear? Next, scanners and speakers. Now what is scanner? It is used to scan the documents and pictures and store them on the computer. This is a type of a scanner. Now for example, if I want to scan this page, okay, I will use the scanner. मुझे ये पेज कंप्यूटर में दिखना चाहिए तो मैं क्या यूज़ करूँगी, स्कैनर यूज़ करूँगी. Okay? Understood what is the difference between scanner and printer? The next one is speakers. They allow us to listen to music and to hear sound effects stored on a computer. See, these are the speakers. Now for what purpose? Speakers सुनने के लिए use होते हैं. To listen to any music or sound which is there in the computer. Okay? Usually two speakers are attached to a computer. Two speakers are attached to a computer. Okay? Headphones and microphones. Headphone is used to listen to songs, speech and other types of sound from a computer. Now headphones is used to listen to any sound, speech or music in the computer. See, this is a type of a headphone. It is shown like this. Okay? The next one is microphone. It is used to record voice and different sounds on the computer. किसके लिए use होता है? To record voice. Microphone is used to record voice. We can also talk to our friends on the internet. हम उससे बात भी कर सकते हैं हमारे friends से with the help of the internet. Headphone is used to listen. Microphone is used to record a voice. Understood? Clear, children? The last one is the UPS. It stands for uninterruptible power supply. It keeps the computer on for some time when the electricity goes off. Now with the help of UPS we get the power supply from the computer. हमको monitor पे जो हमारा computer है इसके help से हमको power supply मिलता है. Okay? It is a type of a power supply. Now जब हमारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मतलब लाइक इट गोज ऑफ, व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गोज ऑफ, यूपीएस वर्क्स एज अ पावर सप्लाई. वो कुछ टाइम के लिए हमको थोड़ा पावर देता है जस्ट फॉर 5 मिनट्स सो दैट वी कैन जस्ट सेव अवर वर्क. क्लियर? चिल्ड्रन, आंसर टाइम. Children, here is the answer time. Name any 2 parts of a computer. Yes, tell me fast. We have studied in slide number 1. Tell me fast. What were the parts? Yes, monitor, keyboard, CPU and one more, mouse. Very good. You have given me all the 4 parts. Very good, dear children. Moving on to the next, there is an action time on page number 26. You will do it in the textbook along with me, okay? I look like a TV, I am a dash. I look like a TV, I am a monitor. Here you will write MONITOR. You just have to unscramble the words from here. The hint is given here, okay? I am the brain of a computer, I am dash. CPU. Then I have many keys, I am a dash. Just unscramble, I have many keys, I am keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. I can record voice, I am a dash. I can record voice, I am a microphone. MICROPHONE. I am a pointing device, I am a dash. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Okay, dear children, I hope you enjoyed this video lesson and I hope you are very much clear with the parts of the computer. Okay, we will meet in the next video lesson with something new in this chapter. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.